Hello friends, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. Hope you're doing well today. In this tutorial video today, I'm going to show you how to reset the anti-passback status of a user or a group of users on a door, basically. The application for this is, can have various, I guess, applications actually. You can have this reset done because you want to make sure people aren't using their card twice, but you still want to allow them to enter again or exit again after X number of minutes. So if I put the reset time for anti-passback on that door for, let's say, 20 minutes, it means that in 20 minutes that user status will be reset to unknown, so you'll be able to exit or enter again that door. Okay, typically we don't use that feature on, let's say, high security sections of a building, but if they just want to make sure that someone is not giving his card to another user to enter in the morning or to leave in the afternoon, then that's a good way to reset the system. Actually, there's two ways to reset the anti-passback status on the door. Basically, it's by using a timer. Okay, so let's say from 1 minute to X number of minutes and hours, or we can do it on a schedule. Okay, so let's say in this example today, I'm going to show you at 1 o'clock in the morning, we're going to reset the anti-passback for the main entrance door. So then every user becomes with an unknown status, so they are not in or out of the system, so they can either use the exit reader or the entry reader the next morning. Okay, so this way, if someone has left the building in the afternoon without badging the card properly, they will not have to call the security team to reset their status in the morning. The system will do it on a schedule. Okay, it's very easy to program. I'm going to show you how it works with the timer and also how to assign the schedule to the door. Okay, so let's have a look at how we can do this with the Protege GX platform from ICT. Okay, so the first thing I want to do now is to create a new schedule. Okay, so under Site, Schedules, I did this previously. So in other words, what I do is I decided to do it at 1 in the morning. So basically, when the schedule becomes valid at 1 o'clock in the morning, the system will reset the anti-passback status on my main door here. Okay, so very easy. So I checked from Sunday to Saturday, and I selected the Ignore Holiday, just to make sure that this feature still works if people are working when there is a holiday on site. All right. Now the next thing to do is in the door properties. All right. Now, remember in the previous video that we did about anti-passback, we explained how to set it up. So I'm not going to review this again, but if you want to know how to enable anti-passback on a door, please refer to the videos we have on our channel. All right. So basically, what I did is I went to the advanced options here. Okay. And you see the anti-passback entry reset time and exit reset time. I've set it to 1 minute. Okay. Obviously, I don't want to wait too long for this video to complete. So, and then I enabled the anti-passback schedule, a reset on schedule, and the timed user anti-passback reset. And this is where we assign the reset schedule. Okay. So in this case, every minute the system will do, the reset. Obviously, I wouldn't use a schedule with just a 1 minute timer. Typically we use either or. Most sites will want to reset on a schedule, all right? But if it's a low security door or turnstile, then we sometimes use the reset time, okay? So that's it. It's very easy to configure. You have to do it per door, and for the time reset, okay? And then let me show you how it works with the card with the 1 minute reset, okay? So let me go to an events page showing all events, and from here. Okay, so I'm going to badge once. Okay, so now I have my access granted in green. Okay, so this user now is inside the system. So the area inside the door was offices. So this user is part of the offices area at the moment. If I badge again, you see that I'm denied access, by anti-passback failure because I tried to enter again within, before the 1 minute reset time. Okay, so let's make a pause. I'm going to show you when the user is now able to enter the system again. All right, so now we've waited a bit more than 1 minute. So let's badge the card and see if it works, even though I was already inside the system before. You see? So basically, after 1 minute, I was able to enter the same area again using the anti-passback reset feature. Okay, again, very simple. like I said before, typically you're going to use either the time reset anti-passback or the reset on schedule, okay? Because obviously the schedule would become useless if you're already resetting by a timer, okay? So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and also if you need any kind of help from our sales or support teams, you can reach them via the Inaxsys.com website. Again, my name is Fred Bergeron. Thanks for watching.